this is my new MT09. It's a 2023 model, and I know the 2024 is coming, but the price difference was huge and I did not need all the stuff it was getting. I mean, I can live without cruise control and a bigger screen if I was saving $2,500 of stuff. So I went with this one. Same hardware, everything, and I kind of like the setting on this one. Seat and everything felt more comfortable. Single piece seat, so you can move around more. So yeah, that was one reason I got it. And upgrade from a Ninja 400, so this one is obviously a huge upgrade. It is way more powerful than that, which I'm not gonna use all of it because it's in break-in period. And I did check out a few other bikes. I actually went to see the MT07. That's what I wanted to get when I was upgrading. So I went out to check the MT07, and then I went out to check Duke 890. I also checked Suzuki's GS8S, I guess it's called, the new one. And then I checked this one. So this one felt the most comfortable. I think the Suzuki KTM and the MT09 had almost same tech. In fact, they had few extra techs, I would say, bigger screen and stuff. On the other hand, the MT07, yeah, even that had a bigger screen. Not a lot of tech on it, but it had a bigger screen. So, but I decided to go with this one because this felt more comfortable, and of course the 900cc will be plenty enough for coming few years. I still can't go full throttle because it's in break-in, but fixed up nice. And in fact, obviously it felt more stable than my Ninja 400. It always feels more stable because it's not a huge difference between weight, but I think the tire and the frame, the design, the way the chassis is, the way to slow down, yeah, the exhaust and everything is tucked in down, so it feels more stable. That's what I feel, and feels more nice to ride. Wider handlebars, they are again comfortable. And I think it has enough power so that I won't be bored, or I won't be needing more power for coming few years. It's got enough power for that. It's got good safety tech on it, traction control, and then you have different riding modes. I think there's something called as brake control, there's lift control, a lot of stuff. On my Ninja only had ABS. And you can switch modes on the go, so that's a good thing. You don't have to stop and do, you know. Of course, I'm not gonna rev it up, open it up, because as I said, it's still in break-in period. Initial thoughts, it's nice, it feels nice, it feels stable, it feels comfortable. I did a 65-kilometer ride from the shop. I got this one, so not a very long ride, but yeah, there's a good mix of city and single lane highways, I'll say, on the expressway. So yeah, it was comfortable. Yeah. Didn't feel any need to, you know, take a break or something. But I've heard some people, they switch to comfort seat, I think it's called, or ergo seat, which has a bit more cushion in it, and it's more comfortable than this one. And this one also comes with quick shifter, so yeah, I've never had that before. So that's also something nice to have, I guess. I'm not going to race it, obviously. I don't know, maybe track it in the future, so it might come handy in there. Yeah, but this seems like a bike which I can live with, like coming few years. Even if you want to tour on it, I think there's few modifications. It can be turned into a good long route bike, like few hundred kilometers a day. Of course, it won't be something like an ATV, but yeah, you can actually saddle back a small fly screen in the front. Yeah, strap on a tank pack should be good enough to do a few hundred kilometers a day trip. Yeah, straight away it feels more stable than my 400. Obviously, as I said, it feels more comfortable and has good. The seat is higher than the 400. There's more space for my legs and all that. Yeah, I'm happy with that. I'm happy with my purchase. Let's see how long does it take for the signal to turn green. Not that long. Even the stop exhaust sounds nice. Yeah, but then I can't really open it right now, so I don't exactly know how good or bad it sounds. Yeah, once the braking period is done, then it can go above 5,000 RPM. It will sound much nicer. Yes. Yeah, it's perfect between the city. I know some of my friends who have different bikes which tend to heat up in the city. This one, that should, at least for now, doesn't heat up that much. I rode it in the city yesterday and today, so good with that. Jeep guys. Yeah, it's a nice sunny day, so cover outfit there. Open, like they remove panels. You can remove panels, so they remove panels and enjoying the sun. Now this is nice house, sort of a private island kind of thing. Not a big one, but there's some space there. See the dog sticking his head out. Actually, half a body out. Boats are out today. It's a nice day, so just like us motorcycle riders, people who go on boat trips and stuff, they also get excited when they see nice weather. I guess so. Oh, this road is paved here. I had no idea this was paved recently. I haven't come on this route for a long time, so nice. Oh, there it ends. As soon as I said nice, the new pavement ended. Yeah. These roads have become really bumpy in Windsor. Anywhere you go, you get bad roads now. Not good roads. vehicles coming my way. What's that? Sorry guys. No, one was BMW, there was, I think was a Honda Rebel. Oh, sure.